Okay, let's create a master blaster hat here, another hat. First, of course, we need to inflate 4 fully inflated balloons like this, and with a spiral balloon here. Okay, so I teach you already. I taught this already during my previous course. So if you didn't catch this idea how to create this, you better enroll on my other volume courses. Okay, so now let's create okay, so you need to create a hat like this. This is your base hat. Now create another balloon like this and twist it in half like this and put it here like this and put it this end here like this, and also this end, put it here like this. So let's create another balloon here, twist it in half like this, okay. Put it here, don't forget to put it here at the front of your base, and now make a small bubble here and put your small bubble here on the other side of your hat, just like that, and do the same thing here on the other side. Just like that. And lastly, put this one here, but twist it in half. Okay, like this. Now, put around here. But before you do that, twist a 1-inch bubble here to connect this 1-inch bubble here. Okay, and of course do the same thing also here. Just connect it, and that's it. Okay, now this is the last part. You need to put this around here on the blue portion of your balloon. Wrap. Okay, put it like that, and that's it. You end up like this. Okay, hope you like that.